kana muigana wa ciringi milioni 345 na iria ciungumitio ni turia nime kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Akiaria na mandiki ya muhuro na makiria, murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru no rikini ta Godfrey oyugi ni ugite ati ni kugerera ciira umwe no uria wambikitwo igoti-ini waturia nime turia twendaga ukorwo makigwatira mugunda ukiahinya na njira ya gutigarira ati ni macenjia ritwa riria riandikitwo kana title-ini ino na mandikwo kana ritwa riu kana maritwa mau makorwo makiandikwo no undu uria ukoretwo riu ukirugamio ni igoti. Ukiri uguo bara ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini riu nionekanite kunyitithio thinga riri President William Ruto onekanite kwaga kunira ithegi andu ari othe marakorwo makinyitikana na mahitia ma ungumania guku bururi-ini Mwangi wa Murugi. Turatuhingurira mutamburuko witu wa muthenya wa mothe na riboti ino.
Thirikari kugerera ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini eacc ni igite na umithio hari gucokia migunda ya muigi ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 345 na iria yegwateirwo mugaru wa watho ni andu kiumbe.
In this case, eacc has recovered about 5 acres of government land belonging to the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development. Now, the land, which includes 20 prime government house units, has an estimated current value of 345 million Kenya shillings.
Ni kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru ugitarukia Rift Valley ya muhuro Godfrey oyugi ni ugite ati migunda ino yakorirwo igicenjio igwatiri kuma kuri thirikari ni andu mari wathani-ini.
Limited liability companies, Pembeni and Liberty Assurance Company Limited, are linked to former member of parliament for Aldai constituency, Jimmy Cho, deceased.
Kugerera ciira wakorirwo ukihandwo igoti-ini kuri mwaka wa 2018 ni ruhonge ruru rwa eacc andu atatu na aria ni Sari Chepkole, Titus Kipkemboi uria wari kamishina wa migunda hamwe na Wilson Gachanja na kambuni ingi cia andu kiumbe ni makorirwo magithitangwo na igoteri wa mugunda uyu.
Now the recovery was through a civil suit filed by Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission against 3 individuals, namely Sale Chepkole, Titus Kipkemboi, former Commissioner of Lands, Wilson Gachanja, and 2 private entities, namely Pembeni Limited and Liberty Assurance Company Limited.
Kuringana na itua ria kinyanirio ni mucirithania munene wa igoti ria Nakuru ria migunda ni Mwangi Njoroge akorirwo agiteaniria wigwatiri wa mugunda uyu na gwathana ukorwo gicokio kuri thirikari.
Judgment in favor of the commission was issued by our Honorable Justice Mwangi Njoroge of the Nakuru Environment and Land Court on 22nd September 2023, who nullified all the transactions leading to the illegal transfer of the land and ordered that the property be registered in the name of the Permanent Secretary to the Treasury, in trust and on behalf of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development.
No na kuri uguo oyugi ni eranire kwaga kuhamurithio kwa aria maika uyu kuna ati makorirwo magikomborithio kiwatho no indi akaruta mukana kuri aria othe mangikorwo megwatire migunda ya thirikari kuona matigotigithio.
Holding titles to grabbed government land in this region to voluntarily surrender the same to the commission instead of waiting for costly and lengthy court processes which will nevertheless see them surrender the property at the end of the day.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ria kwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi.
Haya, thengio muno mundu gwitwo ti Mwangi wa Murugi ni undu wa riboti na tugakihoka ati andu ari othe mekunyitikana na ngukumio.